All right, we're going out for a ride with Cal.
Yeah!
And Rylan. Wow, I missed. I was trying to get your K.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever tried to point looking at... Anyways.
Yeah, it's weird, huh? Because you're like...
So it might look like we're in the middle of winter, but there is...
We are. It's December.
Actually,
it's not
winter
winter.
hasn't
It's still
started.
fall.
Fall ride. Nice fall ride.
For
early
a few more days.
Yeah, we don't have much snow. So we're going to go out and see what we can do. Have a great time. Just spend time as friends.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so good.
I got a winch.
Snowmobilers to the rescue.
I got a winch.
You do?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So you guys are good then. Yeah, I just stopped to see if she was okay.
Oh.
But,
Yeah. We'll get her pulled out.
We got you.
We'll get her out. You okay? Scared a little bit? Yeah. We'll get you pulled out. I got a winch on the truck, so.
We got a winch.
You got a winch?
We'll
All
pull
right,
you
I'm
out.
going to
Okay?
pull up here.
Block, maybe.
She's just right there.
We'll have to figure out traffic.
She might have a T-post over her car.
Ooh, okay. We'll look at it.
Yeah.
We'll pull you up out.
Okay. We'll look and see if there's T-post. Oh, that. Not too bad. Okay. I don't know how they didn't hit the fence. She did not hit the fence. You gonna be able to move that at all, or? What's your take on
I'm
this?
not sure what,
You didn't know that this was going to turn into a Don't Fall Cal expedition, like,
yeah.
on the road.
Well, I wish the Rylan would have brought a saw that we could just cut this off, but rude.
Right?
Rude.
I know, we
Rude.
probably have a saw.
Hopefully there's not a ton of...
He's got a hijack.
Do you have
We better block
I have
the
a
road.
hijacker.
Yeah. Or, no, do you have a, like a soft
I
shackle?
have a soft shackle. Yeah.
Is your car four-wheel drive or two-wheel? Guess doesn't matter.
Hey, Cal, I was able to get that out.
Oh, look at you,
No
strong
problem,
arm.
actually, 'cause I'm
Okay,
really strong.
good.
And it wasn't really under there.
Okay.
We should probably watch
Traffic.
I
Okay.
tried to park there so that they're like, whoa, what's happening?
Okay, do you want to drive or do you want me to? The car.
Or
You
do you
drive.
have the...
Oh, that's going to be in the back. Are you going to try to...
If I'm just winching her, because I'm not yanking, we can just go to the control arm underneath.
Okay. Keep coming.
We're out! Hey, hold on. Release.
Good job, Betty White.
Hey, who thought that piece of garbage could actually do something, right? Just kidding, I actually think it's a really cool truck.
How do you feel? You just completed a successful rescue.
Dude, I feel like $1 million. $1 million. Also, she has the cleanest car I think I've ever.
It smells good too. Okay, go ahead and pull forward.
I'm kind of in like recovery mode now.
We're ready for the next one to
Yeah, I
come.
kind of hope Ben gets stuck with his trailer so I can use the Yankum 30-footer to give him a good old yank. Get him unstuck.
Careful
Just-
what you wish for. It might
Just
be
for
Betty
the hell of
White.
it. I got a winch. I can get out. I'm fine.
Cocky. Look at this guy. You know what? He snowmobiles the
Cocky.
same. He snowmobiles the same way too.
It's like Kid Rock, baby.
We can ride around or we could do some drills.
Well, let's see what you want to do. We can try some drills. That's fine. My thumb needs a workout because my thumb hurts from that exercise.
Yeah. Cal,
What?
I'm having a great time.
Me too.
Hey,
Hey,
what's up?
what up? Ryland's rocking the tinted lenses today.
Yeah, I thought I had my other ones in here and I don't.
I got another lens.
I'm fine.
Look how
Okay.
cool Cal looks in those Tempests.
Yeah, right.
This is like a Tempest commercial.
Dude, look. It's a team ride.
Tempest team ride.
Tempest team
I'm
ride.
just here for the moral support.
Oh, that's right. More support.
Moral support.
Customer. Hey, you know what this is?
Customer testimonial.
Team ride.
Yeah. Dare try to jump that log, side hill up through there. Yep. Oh no! Ah! Spun out on the rock. Dang it. Need way more speed. Well, we'll see if I'm on enough snow to get on edge. Woo! We'll see. I was not on any snow, and I'm on another rock. Ah, this was a dumb idea. We gotta do something else.
Did you follow my line?
Yeah. That was nutty.
There are a lot of rocks right here. Alright, let's see if we can get her on edge. Alright, now we're on edge. Now we just gotta get yeah, there we go. All right. GoPros on. This is hilarious.
GoPro, record.
Hey, you gotta say GoPro, start recording.
Oh. Didn't know.
That was pretty good. They've been doing that for a while. Alright, there's not a ton of snow here. Log is loose.
Oh man, why's he gotta make my life hard?
He took your line, bro! Probably already saw, but we are out on Blueberry today. I'm glad, because there's a ton of crap, and I would have felt really nervous on my turbo. Oh man, I missed it. Cal was just ripping that side hill. Sick. All right, well, they are not coming back through here, so we'll go back to the sled and get going. How's the camera lens look? Pretty good. Dang it.
Oh, oh, that's why I keep the camera rolling. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I just realized that I made my own well, Rylan helped me too. We're in a don't fall cow moment. Because the cardinal rule is bring food, right?
Always be prepared.
Be prepared. Now I have my overnight food, but forgot my lunch. I left it in my truck. It's at Rylan's shop.
I mean, I've got a lot of food, so.
Ben was prepared.
Yeah.
Ben was prepared this time. So now we have to ration our food because we don't know if we're going to make it out tonight or if we're spending the night. So we have a peanut butter sandwich.
Peanut butter sandwich, banana bar, 3 granola or like protein bars, G2G. Not a sponsor yet. And then I've got like a bar. It's like an emergency one. It's like 3,600 calories or something like that. Then I got a Mountain House.
Oh, I got 2 Mountain House. I have dinner and breakfast Mountain House, and I have hot chocolate.
So maybe what Cal's not realizing also is we're definitely in walking range of the truck right now. So,
Hey, come on! Spoiler! meet you.
Hey, thanks for watching. I want you to subscribe and like this video. Check you in the next one. Hey, this is a rock field. We might want to cut over.
I see the rocks.
Over there. There's a big one. Yeah, I'm beginning to think so.
There's a spring right here.
There might be, well, there's water, yeah.
Might be safer to get back in the Quakies.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna cut over. I just fell behind a rock.
That'll happen on the bigger jobs.
I call it a cave, but you know. All right. Yeah. Rylan, I believe you told me you wanted to go rock crawling today?
Yeah, I'm a fan.
Yeah.
That one's gonna hurt.
Yeah, that might catch your A-arm.
Yeah.
You want me to help you move it over it?
Well, it just moved, and so I don't know why it won't move now. But I wanted to get it out.
Oh, look at you. It's because Rylan works out, man.
There we go.
Yeah, I think I brought us into like kind of a boulder field here.
Hey, a little more snow.
A little more snow and this would have been great.
Yeah.
I think we're way further this way than I thought we were.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Towards the road?
yeah. Hey Cal, you want to help me lift my sled up over this rock?
Yeah.
Cal.
There we go. Play by play. You show him.
Okay,
Play by play.
here he goes.
We're done.
Give me a gas. Spinning out.
Some gas. We're stuck on our skeg.
Look, today would be much better without carbides.
Yeah.
I hope
Maybe I
you
need
don't
that too.
suck a rock. Okay, I'm gonna record while you guys do stuff.
I don't know how you can be stuck in 3 inches of snow. Come on. Seriously.
That's worse than getting stuck on the trail.
Oh, hold on. Radio.
Oh, man. Trying to
Old Eagle Eyes there caught the radio.
Oh, hi, Mr. Track.
Hey, watch your legs.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, hey, I think you hit a rock.
Hey, there's a rock there.
Oh, is that a rock or a tree?
I don't know.
I don't know. There's not very many rocks here, I don't think.
No, there's not any at all. I don't see any rocks.
No rocks at
This
all.
is just gray snow.
Yeah. That's pre-season snow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's technical, right?
Have you heard of like rock ice or ice rock? What's it?
I thought you were
That's-
talking about pop rocks.
Pop
These are
rock.
pop rocks because they
Those
just
pop
pop
rocks.
up.
Yeah.
That's
Like
why I got stuck.
I mean, look at the trail.
yeah,
It's smooth.
it is clean as can be.
Are you on your dirt bike or your snowmobile?
Oh, well, it's hard. This is like the transition time. I'm trying to get used to
I
the
see. That's why.
sled,
That's why
you know.
we're in here because you're thinking you're on your enduro motorcycle.
Yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, this is no big deal, right? And
No big deal.
except for, Cal, I am horrible at dirt biking. All right, well,
I couldn't tell.
thanks.
Oh, I
Thanks, Cal.
couldn't tell.
Oh. All right, well, we'll get this out. Cal is gonna take a video of Ryland. I'm gonna take a video of all the happenings. Behind the scenes. Good night. Well, we're lost, and I blame this guy. Okay, it should be pointing at me because it was my fault.
Well, and I'm not tracking like I normally am. I should have.
That road that we're trying to get to is where we will cross our tracks.
So our truck's that way or that way?
That way. Hey, I'm ready to do a bet. Like, do you want to bet that the truck's that way or that way?
I still think the truck's over. Here we go.
So I'll bet you lunch. Okay.
So Ben behind me is still going the direction of Ryland. So that way.
So
is the
that way
direction-
we're going lunch. Cal, okay.
That way.
The truck's that way, Cal buys me lunch.
I still
Truck's
think it's
that way,
this
Cal
way.
buys me lunch.
No. If we go that way and the truck's there, you buy me lunch. If we go that way, which is the way you want to go, and trucks are there, I will buy you lunch.
So I just said, I think. Now I'm all confused.
And we are going the way Ryland wants to go, so we got to keep going. So we know that we don't hit.
So there's a road right there is why I'm super confident about this.
Okay.
And then the trucks are that way.
Hey, I see the road markers.
Looks like I might be buying lunch. That's good, because I didn't bring lunch and I'm starving.
Oh, dude, food sounds freaking delicious.
Oh well, I got turned around, all right? Okay, we'll try this. Let's keep going. Okay. Here we are. We followed Ryland's direction. We just stopped a little premature. So really, Ryland knew what was going on, where we were. Ben, at the last junction, also knew where we were. And I was still trying to get us back to our trail that we came in on. So we were all right. But lunch is on me today, boys. So I admit, my bad. It's crazy how you get turned around. So let this be a lesson, right? don't rely on your GPS totally. Pay attention to where your surroundings are.
Well, even the GPS, I got turned around because the GPS was saying I was pointed in the wrong way. So that's because he was standing too close to his skidoo. And the greatness was like messing with the signal.
Right. It's throwing us off. So trust your instincts. Obviously, talk amongst yourselves in the group and make sure that your group agrees on where you're going to go and stick with it. So that's why we ride well together, because we trust each other.
Yeah, boy!
Let's go to the trucks.
You know what? I'm going to feel really dumb if the trucks aren't over this hill.
If the trucks aren't over that hill, that means someone stole them.
Dude, I'm going to feel so dumb. I hope nobody stole them.
You're going to... You're dumb.
We're back. We made it to the trucks. Yeah. We made it back.
You made me turn around, so I was just facing that way.
Ryland's walking up from that way. Hey, anyways, great ride.
Was a great ride.
It was a good ride. No bent A-arms.
Oh, you guys didn't bend
Just
the arm.
Just egos.
Just egos.
Hey, look,
I lost my ego.
I feel bad that I knew where we were at, so I'm not gonna hold cow to lunch because I knew.
No, it's fine. Lunch is on me. We'll go grab a bite to eat, or save it for next time. Rylan and I are starving because remember we didn't bring our food.
Yeah,
so.
we're going to get food one way or another.
Yeah.
That food's on me because it's hard. It's hard to suck up your ego, but where I was trying to go was where we were.
It wasn't
from.
wrong.
It wasn't
It was just a
wrong.
long way back around.
Yeah. I didn't complete the loop in my head. So.
That's it.
Oh, well.
Anyways, great day. Catch you in the next one.
Don't follow cow.
Make sure to check out Don't Follow Cow, Sled Addicts, and like and subscribe if you haven't. Bye!